Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through a simple but incredibly useful trick: how to add your very own watermark or logo overlay onto images using Canva. Whether you're looking to protect your work, build your brand, or just give your photos a professional touch, this method will have you watermarking multiple photos in no time. Let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll feel totally confident creating your personalized logo overlay, even if you're new to Canva. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, it's free to sign up and super intuitive. Once you're in, look for the button labeled Create. Give that a click. Now, instead of choosing one of Canva's many templates, we want to set our own custom size to make sure your logo overlay fits perfectly on any image you plan to use. Type in 300 by 300 pixels for the width and height. This keeps your overlay a manageable size that won't overwhelm your pictures, and it also makes it easy to drag and drop onto lots of different photos later. Once you've got your dimensions set, go ahead and create a new design. Now you'll see a blank canvas on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Next, we want to add a photo to test out our overlay. On the left toolbar, click on Elements, and either search for a photo or choose one you like. Think of it as your working sample to preview how your watermark will look. You could upload your own photo here if you want to see it on a real project. Alright, with your photo in place, let's bring in your logo. If you already have a logo file, just upload it to Canva. If not, you can search for an example like the Google logo just to practice. Drag and drop your logo right onto the canvas. Here's an important part: click on the logo and find the transparency slider. Usually it's a little checkered square symbol in the toolbar above your design. Lower the transparency until the logo is faint but visible. This helps it blend smoothly into the photo, making sure it's present but not distracting. Think of it like a subtle signature at the corner of a painting. It claims ownership but doesn't take away from the artwork itself. At this point, you can get creative. Canva makes it really easy to add more designs, maybe a decorative frame, a color splash behind your logo, or your social media handle. Just use the other elements and text tools to personalize your overlay. These extra touches can make your watermark not just a security measure, but also a part of your overall brand aesthetic. Once you're happy with how everything looks, take a moment to double-check your design. Sometimes stepping away for even a few seconds and coming back gives you a fresh perspective. When you're satisfied, it's time to save your work. Hit the Share button at the top right, then click Download. I recommend saving your overlay as a PNG with a transparent background. This way, you can easily place it over any image in the future with no colored boxes or awkward edges. That's it, you've created your own custom logo overlay, ready to protect and brand all your images. Remember, this process works for single or multiple photos. You can now quickly add your watermark to any project you're working on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your results, and make sure to subscribe for more practical Canva hacks and creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.